right, you ready, Stan? We're up next.
I can't. I thought I could do it, but I can't. The taste of the rose in my mouth again brings back too many memories. And really, couldn't you find one without thorns?
Stan, what happened that makes you feel this way?
I told you, it's too painful. I can't talk about it, so I'll just show you my slideshow. The crowd loved us. We were dancing up a storm. And then it happened. She sneezed and my pants blew off. Everyone laughed. My parents wrote letters. I've never been so humiliated.
But Stan, you never wear pants.
Not anymore. Not after that night.
Next up, Stan and Chloe.
Stan, we're up.
I'm sorry, I can't.
This isn't just about winning some stupid talent show. If you don't overcome this fear now, it'll haunt you forever.
Stan and Chloe.
Stan?
Oh.
Me, I couldn't.
Thanks for watching. Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Channel YouTube clips.